Are the queen.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if made it up on the beat and it's can't see on the screen. Dancehall Queen Spice is in the gym working it out because I'm not gonna lie to you. She's going to have a lot of battles in the near upcoming future because Shenseea just says she is the queen and she has stand next to the king. But now the comment section where you think about that because the Besties is under hers. Up in them feelings, you know, saying there's only one queen and a spice. As you can see, this is the caption she put, and these were several of the comments that I screenshot. And I can't press pause and read them on myself. This is what I say. But it's not a good look out here, you know, my people, because a lot of people is coming for Spice, especially after she dropped that rivalry rhythm verse and flopped, you feel me? And according to the statistics, she was the worst one on the Wi-Fi rhythm. I know people is questioning, oh, she really become #1 on iTunes, alright? Cause Kamar McGregor diss up Spice wicked, you know, and Cartel and other people, but especially Spice ever since she get #1 with Fiat Wi-Fi rhythm. So let's hear what Emma say, and then we'll get to what she has to say in response.
Yeah.
I'm saying to you that a lot of people in the reggae industry don't want to talk the truth. They don't want to talk the truth about reggae. Reggae and dancehall music is like going to a jazz bar. Hear why? You see, the reggae artists, them a dancehall artists, them a scammer. And them live this facade life and live in our bubble. So what them do? Them have this new thing now what them do. Them go up on Apple Music and buy back them song them for make it seem like say, yo, them the #1. But because these people in Jamaica don't know that when a reggae artist go #1 for Apple Music or iTunes, them only sell probably 20 copy or 100 copy a day. And guess how much one of the songs them? $1.20. You understand me? Or 99 cents. And guess what? 2 tunes the next 24 hours. Bob Marley or Shaggy or Sean Paul back at #1. Reggae and dancehall music, the music that are selling in reggae and dancehall or streaming, is the legacy. Is the legacy part of reggae and dancehall. So dancehall music and reggae music are driven by the legacy music.
Put in the comment section if you agree with Kamar. I'm just going to say this straight up. Bob Marley record label buys his music. That's why Bob Marley is always #1 on the chart. And no other living dancehall or reggae artists can compete with the biggest record label, right? But nevertheless, this is what Spice reposted and all of these things. She said she never know she did #1s when she initially posted the thing, which was a lie based off her caption. She did say she did #1 when she initially posted, but ever since Kamar make that post them, or reposted, she started drop down. So we know what I go on for not to go on, you see me? You know what I mean? But boy, the younger generation really rising up against Spice. And I think Candy might take it to Spice, you know. You know what I mean? Because, you know, Candy under Ramesh, and Ramesh, they try to use Shenseea for this Spice and it never worked. But Candy look like she have her vibes and look like she might can handle Spice, being that them say Candy take the Wi-Fi rhythm. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Now, time for a little tea list to mix up. Before we get into the Annie aspect of the like, how you know she export Yankee, Wicked, you see my say, and she this time up Wicked back his side. But these are some of the awards given out the other day. For the tea list of them, best single father and all of this stuff goes to Owen. Best single mother goes to Ivani. Best couple series, you know, Akeem, all of these things, best stress. When I can't press pause and read it for myself. You see what I say, but like me say, Annie exports her husband, her baby daddy, and things get wicked for now, you know. So let's take a listen to what I go on for not to go on and proceed with the next.
Eat your booty with him tongue. Just watch that one day first. Because since them I say me a liar.
What on?
Watch it. It's a
Oh, Jay. Jay, you the best.
Anonymous, chat, me rotted, me blood clot.
Jay. Jay, you the best.
Nasty and dirty.
Jake, so that in our
That's
background
why
and
I
fix
don't
up here.
want hear.
What's that background do what?
But Jayden, you see when man and woman they together, man tell woman say the pum pum nice and feel good and sweet and dandy. And girl tell boy say fuck me, a cocky big. And your pussy this, but as soon as on the left, we start to hear say your pussy big, your cocky small, it can't stand up, it dead from the root, you suck my pussy, you lick up my body, all of a sudden. What make you never tell we all of that when the relationship did a go on?
Why would she mash up something good that what she like? If it's after the relationship done, you feel the pain.
That is why I don't want to hear now.
You don't want to hear me.
We don't want to hear the sad story. Me don't want, not even say we, because I not talk for Uno. Me don't want to hear.
Me want to hear.
Right, me not talk for Uno. Me don't want to hear.
Me and Jakes want to hear.
Good. Me don't want to hear. All of a sudden, every relationship where you're going on and you and them left is always problem. Bedroom story, bedroom story, bedroom story. Lick up my body, lick up my pussy. Like, what? Every relationship where you're going on, somebody lick out your ass.
See. Come on, guys. Triple. Me want to hear, darling.
She said TikTok police all the comment and just squeeze and lick with them. Just squeeze it with them.
What you say?
Be nastiness. Remember she said about TikTok police? Say him have to squeeze, she have to squeeze the nipple hard. Me not laugh because it's disgusting. It's distasteful for true. You can't laugh, you know, but it's distasteful.
Lord.
Yeah.
Hey.
That distasteful as fuck, bro. Peer bedroom, dirty store. Nobody want to hear what me in the bedroom. All me know. Me going on one man phone and find say my finger himself. You think me I go tell nobody? You think me I go tell social media? Me I keep that to myself.
You say Yankee live.
That not something for me vent, but me not tell nobody.
You never miss saying you got me.
The TikTok, the international TikTok have to find out for themselves. Me not telling nobody that.
In the life.
That tree and art. That's what I keep to my eyes. Me not tell nobody that.
Come on, guys. Get your speed.
That tree and art. Because at the end of the day, I'm me, them, I go say my whole shit up.
Tree and art, please. Tree and art, one money gun.
My own, them, I go say I'm in there.
Tree and art, I want to go chat, please.
What's on us? He mix up done if we not get nothing, you know. He mix up done if we not get nothing, you know.
Watch out.
Watch out, Yankee, I'll follow me to Ross. Double chat.
Touch it.
Alright. Watch out.
Mix up
Chat
stuff.
double.
Stop it.
You don't realize you bring down yourself. I don't say you have one baby involved. So, oh yeah, chat double, yeah.
Yeah, for real, it's not so good for ourselves either still. Big man.
It does sound good. Add him after. It not sound good on the side, GX. It not sound good none at all. Me I tell you, it's embarrassing. GX and no
Them
woman
sit
out
there
there with Batman, you know.
over phone. Them sitting there cuss about our phone, you know?
Shay, he might call you.
He ma call who?
You.
For me,
What call
call
who?
me for what?
No, you dep on him side, I see
What
him.
call who?
You might call.
Hey, Guana man. Guana Jayden
Yankee
but
call
call me.
Shay.
Tell me say what? In
Yeah,
the
no.
live. Can't call me.
No, he might
What
call
call
up on him
Shay?
live, you know?
So me a Yankee no size. Me no dep on no side. Me just a say why every time me talk people
Yeah,
think say me
because
dep
Yankee
on
just as
side.
out target too. Don't feel like so we are giving the right. We're not giving the right.
No,
But
me not dep on no side. But at the end
you
of the
know,
day, why every time me talk, you feel like me dep on side. Me not dep on no side.
He might cry.
It's not a side thing.
where my ball for?
It's just reality.
I'm sorry, saying do it.
Go over there, you want to go and eat bass and fall back.
No, sir, are you more look over there?
Jayden, go on.
Who?
You go over there.
Nah, still not
Go
saying
look.
no. Alright. Nothing wrong. Me go over there.
Long time you want to go look for Jayden.
No,
You want to
sir,
go look.
I know me want to look for him.
You been want to go look.
Him no look for me. Him can't look for me.
My beautiful ladies, love and love alone.
I add him.
Adam
He might
Adam
cry.
Shay.
Who fi add him? I never know the man name.
Sorry, Adam Shay. Shay, you have to add him. You see him?
I don't know him. I don't know if I him.
We not reach yet. Tell me when I reach, you know. Tell me when I reach.
Jayden, you add him.
Jakes have a jump.
Them say my cry.
Cry for what? What am I cry for? Jakes?
We not
Jakes,
reach.
what am I cry for, Jakes?
I know. And ready, you know. I'm just telling me, cry.
Jakes are freeze.
He might cry for sure.
Cry for what though?
Jayden,
Huh?
I serious. You come like, you know, say, hey boy, you for going up.
Serious
Jayden,
what?
circle him straight then.
Jayden, go and go circle him.
And then
Serious
you just
what?
circle way. The two of the circle way.
Go on now.
I want to run this up.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna check it, MoneyGram. I'll check it.
Yeah, Jakes, go check him, Jakes.
No,
I'm gonna-
you go on.
Let me see if he might add me. Me a fan.
Alright. Why me I tell you? Some blood clot bring down you no boy.
What name?
Rough.
Yankee.
Rough Jake.
Supposed to Yankee name though. One Yankee on the app.
Yeah. No, a Yankee, just Yankee itself.
Straight in. You know, reach over the man life alone, brother. I'll never reach over the man life.
No, man, the invitation look like you lock off.
Lock off.
No, it's on.
Lie. The man lie.
Sure, you go add him. You go add him. You add him. Well, him now got no woman. Jakes. So,
Hey boy.
oh yeah, laugh on
Yo.
a serious thing.
If invite them
not
on friends
that.
only. You. You have to be friends.
Yeah, share him, my friend. I share him, my friend.
Who are you, my friend? Me
Yeah,
not-
say
me
follow
not-
you.
Yeah, but me not follow him back.
Follow him back and add him.
Yeah,
Shay.
follow
I
back
hear
and
job
add him.
now. I hear job now.
Lord Jesus.
Him sub him chat too. Why?
Alright.
Ross,
I'm
it's
only
an
man.
invitation off now.
Why everybody has sub them chat?
Yes.
Jake,
Invitation off
Jake, let's sub
now.
your chat.
No, my boss. No, I'm not saying I can't start with that thing.
Forward.
Invitation and comments off.
Yo, tell DJ.
Him just sit down there in the camera and not do nothing.
Yeah, anyway, people, just like giving them quick update channel there. Yes, I say, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.